thank you for clicking in. Make sure you don't miss any dynamics of stainless steel industry. Subscribe now! Normally, after a long blank and rest in the market, prices and transactions will meet a small highlight when it returns. People were looking forward to the petite uptrend after enjoying their trades, but the reality just gave everyone a hit. The stainless steel price remained weak before and after the 8-day holidays. The price even dropped further. On October 10, 4 days after the holiday, the cold rolled 4-foot stainless steel 304 quotation decreased to $2,170 per ton, about $35 lower than the price before the holiday. Stainless steel 304 faced not only its values raised but also its problems still stacked. According to the statistics of October 8, during the holiday, the new arrivals of stainless steel were on board as usual, causing the spot inventory of all grades products to increase. However, the inventory of cold-rolled stainless steel 304 has increased for 7 weeks in a row to over 247,000 tons in Wuxi, which increased by over 18,000 tons in a week. The whole stainless steel inventory is stacking amid the holidays because trading was suspended. In Wuxi, one of the major stainless steel trading cities, the inventory ran up by 15% weekly, reaching over 89,000 tons. Looking over the bigger picture, the Chinese economy finally encouraged us a bit. The manufacturer PMI in September returns about 15% in the expanding zone to 15.2%, getting rid of the 5 months in the contraction zone. The production and export sectors contribute the most to the recovery last month. The new export order index month-on-month increased by 1.1% to 47.8%. Although it is lower than 50%, the increase percentage is larger than the average level from 2013 to 2019, indicating an expected bounce in the export sector. The nickel trade on the LME is so-called primary nickel, which is at least 99.8% pure, and it is used in the production of high-quality stainless steel, as well as the electronics and automotive industries, which are now in short supply due to the increasing demand for these products. But more of the world nickel is actually the less pure secondary nickel. Most of it exists in the form of products such as ferronickel and nickel pig iron, which can be made into stainless steel at low cost in smelters. There is now an oversupply of it. Due to the nickel role in the global energy transition and its appeal to investors and important green metal, it is crucial in electric vehicles. Batteries will also help support prices in the long run. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching us. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!